Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your JBL Quantum 350. And the first method is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So connect adapter to the power. And right here at the left ear cup we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right here. And we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. But also we have another option is to use your phone and or PC, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and right here at the left ear cup we have USB-C port. So connect the second one right here. And again we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!